Good morning, student. And today we will start the exercise 2.5 mathematics of class 9. The question number 5. Question number first, second, third, and fourth that was discussed in previous class. Question number 5. This is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Please check this question carefully. On what identity we have to apply? What identity we have to apply? On what base of this question? Now, can you tell me? Here is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to, here what I have told you, a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. This whole square I have written in right. Can I write? It means both are equal, LHS, RHS. And this now we can make, this will be LHS. And if I want to ask, this a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to, can I write on right hand side? Same. Yes. It means either this equal to this or this equal to this. Means this whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 terms when we change into whole square like this. This is the identity, this equal to this, and we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca in a plus b plus c whole square. It means we need not to write this. Now what is our main purpose? We have to convert it into whole square. 4 is the whole square of 2. 4 is the square of 2. It means 2x whole square. It means this will act as a. And now plus, here is plus. What is plus? 9 is square of 3. Y whole square. 3 square of 3. 9y whole square. Plus, now tell me 16z square. Means 16 means 4 z whole square plus, here is plus 2ab, 2 bracket, this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. Please be check. 2a, what is a? 2x, and what is b? 3y. Simply I am writing, I am not writing any negative sign. Plus 2, here is BC. This is your B and this is your C. B is 3y and C is 4z. Again plus CA means C is 4z, 2, C 4z, A 2x. You will think that here is minus, here is minus. You did not write minus. Yes, I did not write minus. Now I want to ask from you. First we will check the numerical value same. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 x into y, xy. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, y into z. This is yz. And here is 2 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and this is z, zx. We can write zx or xz. Numerical value is same. Again you check. Square of 2, 4 x square plus 3 square 9 y square plus 4 square 16 z square plus 2 x is 2x into 3y. This will 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12xy plus 2 formula b. What is b? 3y into 4g. First this multiplied to this is not square inside. but here is minus, here is plus. Oh sorry, here is minus, here is minus, here is plus. Please listen carefully. This point you have to check carefully. 3 terms square which are in square, they will always positive. And remaining 3 terms, out of 3 terms, 1 will positive and 2 remaining term will be negative. And you have to check 1, 2, 3 which is positive. This one is positive. In positive, x and y both are multiplied to each other. In x and y multiply, if either both will be off. If here is positive, it means x and y will be of the same sign. Either both will positive or both will negative. Why? Minus minus plus. If both are of the negative sign, then minus minus, answer will plus. If this will be plus, this will be plus, this will be plus. We can put either x, y both negative or positive. This depends on you. We can put either both negative or both positive. But I will solve the question. If the product is positive, I will take the positive sign. You can take negative also, no problem for that. We can take both positive, we can take both negative. Only for what? Only for these one term which is positive, not for the negative. Here is x and y. It means either both positive and negative. I am taking both x and y positive. This will be positive, this will be positive. It means 2x is positive, 3y is positive. And now what is left? 4z. Then we have to take the next one is negative. It means 4z will be negative. You have to check the term where 4z is mentioned. Then you have to put negative sign in 4z. Here is 4z, it is minus. It is 4z minus. And now you can check. Here is minus square is positive. No problem for that. Here is minus 24. Here is minus. Here is minus plus minus. Here is minus. Plus minus and 24. This if we solve this multiplication, we will get minus 24yz. If we will solve this multiplication, we will get minus 16xz. That means what is the value of A? 2x. What is the value of B? 3y. What is the value of C? Minus 4z. Simply we will put the value of A 2x, value of B 3y, value of z minus 4z whole square. And you have to write how many times? 2 times. 2x plus 3y minus 4z and 2x plus 3y minus 4z. This is the factorization. And now this one. And now we will do this quick. 2 is the square of, in first chapter you know, 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Means 2 is the square of root 2. Here is root 2 whole square. It means 2 is the square of root 2. Here is no problem. Here is 8. 8 is the square of root 8. 8 is the square of root 8. Root 8 into root 8 mean root 8 square. But root 8, we can write root 8 is equal to 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Take one pair outside. And what is left? 2 root 2. It means 8. Root 8 can be expressed 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means root 8. And now simply that we will write the same identity. And now 2 is the square of, now tell me 2 is the square of root 2 and this x is same, root 2x square, and here is no numerical value. This means simply we will write y square plus 8 is the square of root 8. 8 is the square of root 8 and root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. That means 8 is the square of root 8 square, and root 8 is equal to 2 root 2 square. Square 2 square is here we will do root 8 square means 8, and we break root 8, and root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. It means square of 2 root 2 square into root 2 square. 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. 4 into 2 it is equal to 8. So it means 8 is the square of 2 root 2 z whole square. And now plus, we will write plus 2ab. First we write 2a. What is a? A into b. A is root 2 x and b y. फिर plus 2bc. 2. What is b? Y and this one. Y c 2 root 2. 2 root 2 z plus 2ca. 2ca. What is c? 2 root z. 2 root 2 z. A. What is a? Root 2z. Root 2x. Root 2x. Now apply the formula. A cube a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. 2ab. A into b. फिर 2bc. b into c. फिर 2c into a. The same identity we have to apply. And now but we have to check what sign. Which is positive, which is negative. Here is negative. Here all will be positive because it's square. Here is negative, positive, and we have to check which one positive. The question is yz. Here is yz. Yz. That means yz is positive. Where is yz? X, y, yz. This is positive. It means we have to take y positive sign, root 2 root 2 z positive sign. Either both will positive or both will negative. Please check this step. Either both will positive or both will negative. Now this depends on you. Whether you want to take both positive or both negative. Answer will be same. No problem for that. Here y is positive, z is positive. Now what is that? Y positive, z positive. What is that? X, and we have to put x is in negative. If you want to take both negative, y and z, both you want to take negative, then this is negative, and this will be positive. But I am taking y positive and z positive. Y and z both are positive, then x is negative. X is negative. It means we have to put minus where x variable is present. Here is minus, here is no root x, here is minus. And now simple formula a plus b plus whole square. This is a, this is b, and this is c. It means root 2 x minus plus y plus z whole 2 root 2 z whole square. This is equal to minus root 2 x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. 1 minus root 2 x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. If you will take both negative, then this will be negative and this will be positive, and it is your answer. This is question number 5. And now question number 6, fourth part. A minus x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Which identity we will use? That will be a minus b whole cube. And now tell me the identities. Can you tell me? And that will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Or you know what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a plus b. You can solve by any method. This depends on you. Any method you can do. Both identity are same. And now here is a x and b is 2y 3y. We have to apply identity. Here is a cube x cube minus b cube means 2 upon 3 by. This is b whole cube and here is x cube. And now minus 3 a square. What is a? This one. X square. And what is b? 3y. Or 2 upon 3y. And now we need not to put minus at here. Don't put minus at here. Why? Because already I have written minus. This minus is only for this formula. We will not put minus at here because minus is already I put according to the formula. And now what is this? Plus 3. What is a? X. What is b? 2 upon 3 y whole square. Again please check. A cube x cube minus 2 upon 3 y whole cube minus 3 a square square of this into my y plus 3 a and b square. Here is x cube minus 2 cube 3 cube and y cube. 2 cube of 2 into 2 into 2 8 and 3 cube 3 into 3 into 3 cube 27 and this is y cube minus 3. Here is x square. Here is 2 upon 3 y. This 3 will cut plus 3x into square of 2 4 square of 3 9 2 square 4 3 square 9 and here is y square. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9 and now the right answer x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus here is 2 x square and y plus here is 4 x y square upon 3. This is your answer. You can solve either this way or you can solve by this method. A cube again x or x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Here is x cube minus 2 upon 3 y whole cube minus here is 3ab. 3 what is a? X. What is b? 2 upon 3y. And this is bracket. What is a? X minus 2 upon 3 y same. It is x cube minus 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 cube is equal to 27. Y cube minus 3 will cut. What is left? 2x y bracket x minus 2 upon 3 y. And now open bracket. This will multiply to x and this will multiply to y. So that means x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus 2. This is x, this is x square. 2x square y. Here is minus, here is minus. Minus plus 2 into 2 4 upon 3. Here is x, here is y and y square and it is your answer. Either you can do by this method, any method you can use. Either this and this, which is better for you to this question by this method. And complete question number, do question number 5 and 6 again. 5 you have to revise so many times. And now this is your number 5, 6, 7. Because 7 is similar to 9900. 7 question 99 whole cube. We have to break 100 minus 1 whole cube. We have to apply the same formula. Try to do this and we will discuss in next class, but you have to do it. This question number 7.